Welcome to Science Today! Good morning, boys and girls, mummies and daddies, or maybe if your parents are in a same-sex relationship, mummies and mummies, or maybe daddies and daddies. Or maybe your mummy has run off with the postman. And if so, you'll just be with daddy. Or maybe daddy is at work and you'll be with mummy. Or maybe neither mummy nor daddy. You'll be with the au pair, called Gretchen, who has long blonde hair, which cascades over her silky smooth shoulders, and she has a large ample bosom against which you press your head when you're feeling particularly sad and lonely. Or maybe when you're naughty, she specks you. But whoever you are with, welcome to Science Today with me, Professor Otto Krug of Dresden University. Now, there is one important question I wish to pose today, boys and girls, and that is, what is science? Well, I will tell you. Science is the concerted human effort to understand or to understand better the history of the natural world and how the natural world works, with observable physical evidence as the basis of that understanding. Now, this is done through observation of natural phenomena, of course, or through experimentation that tries to simulate natural processes under controlled conditions. And the important word there is controlled. Today, we are going to conduct an experiment. And that experiment is to create an explosion. So my second question is this. What is an explosion? Well, I will tell you. An explosion is a sudden, violent change of potential energy to work, which transfers to its surroundings in the form of a rapidly moving rise in pressure called a blast wave or a shock wave. And this shock wave can cause substantial damage. Chemical explosions are more frequent than nuclear or physical explosions, and although chemical explosions are usually deliberate, sometimes they may occur accidentally, but not today. Now, there are two important attributes that a scientist must have: a keen eye and a steady hand. You may notice two things about me. Yes, I'm wearing the glasses with the bifocals, so therefore I have the keen eye. Artificially, but it is there. The second thing is that I am shaking quite a lot. That is because I have Parkinson's disease. But what I lack in muscle control, I make up for in experience. And as your mummies will tell you, and as many women have told me in the past, there is no substitute for experience. Now, let us start. We need the three chemical substances to create this explosion, and they are here on this table in front of me, if I can find them. Here's the first one. Gunpowder. We take the top off, and using the tweezers we put a small amount of gunpowder in the beaker so. That is the first part. Now the second substance is here on the table. Dynamite. We take the dynamite out of the little bottle with the tweezers, and we put it in the beaker so. Nothing happens. Why? Because it needs a third constituent, which is also here on the table. Here we are in this bottle here, and on the bottle is a black cross, and that signifies danger. And this black cross also means that it is a substance called nitroglycerine. We take the top off very carefully. We put the funnel on top of the test tube, and we pour one tiny drop into the test tube through the funnel. So far, so good. We remove the funnel from the test tube. We pick up the beaker with the gunpowder and the dynamite in it, and we add the nitroglycerine. And boys and girls, you just look what happens when this comes together.